Imagine having a space where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and collaborate in real time, all from the palm of your hand. Welcome to Community Chats on Facebook Messenger. In today's video, we're diving deep into how this powerful feature can transform the way you engage with your community, whether it's for a hobby, a project, or just to stay connected with friends. Stick around as we explore what community chats are, how they work, and how you can set one up in just a few simple steps. What are community chats? Definition and purpose. So what exactly are community chats? These are dedicated spaces within Facebook Messenger that allow groups of people to communicate seamlessly. They integrate with Facebook groups, making it easier for members to engage in discussions, share updates, and foster a sense of belonging. How community chats work. Real-time communication formats. Community chats support various formats: text messages, audio calls, and even video chats, allowing for dynamic interactions. Plus, you can organize conversations into categories to keep discussions focused and easy to navigate. Setting up community chats, step-by-step guide. Ready to create your own community? Here's how. 1. Open Facebook Messenger and navigate to the Chats tab. 2. Tap on Create a new chat and select Community. 3. Choose a name for your community and set your privacy options, public or private. 4. Invite members by sharing the invite link or adding them directly. It's that simple. Admin tools and features. Moderation capabilities. As an admin, you have powerful tools at your disposal. You can block or mute members if necessary and report any inappropriate behavior. Plus, the Admin Assist feature automates some management tasks, making it easier to keep the chat organized. Use cases and examples. Real-life applications. Community chats can be used for various purposes. Think study groups for students, fan clubs for your favorite shows, or even local community organizations planning events. The possibilities are endless. In summary, Facebook Messenger's community chats offer an incredible way to foster engagement and connection among group members. Whether you're looking to build a new community or strengthen existing ties, this feature is a game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What kind of community would you create on Messenger? Let's get the conversation started.